I've been travelling around Malaysia on some epic food adventures. But today I'm getting a taste of history at the Terapuri Heritage Village in Terengganu. This tranquil village is a collection of old Malay houses meticulously restored to showcase the beauty and history of the region. And Alex Lee is the brains behind this incredible restoration project. Alex, I feel like I've gone back in time and I'm at a very old Malaysian palace here. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, you're right, Justin. In fact, the name Terapuri means the land of palaces. Puri means palaces in Sanskrit.
Nice.
Yeah. This house normally is belong to palaces or aristocrat. It's about 100 to 200 years old.
And Alex, how did Terapuri come together?
It started since 1990s where we collected slowly, bit by bit, buying the old palaces, old aristocrat house. And one thing unique about these houses is like it been built prefab. They never use any nails, so you can dismantle it piece by piece.
Wow.
Yeah, like Lego, like IKEA. And then, then you can put out piece by piece.
And how have you set this out? Because you come through the gates and then automatically it's just wow.
Some Chinese historians recorded that Langkah Suka, old palaces, that they have double gather. So then that's why we inspired from that. We build double gather. We have a tower and some pavilion. And then we create a courtyard. This is where we perform our traditional dance, music, so on.
And the beach in front of us on top of it, which is crystal clear.
In Terengganu, you got the longest beach in Malaysia, 244 kilometers.
Wow.
And then you got the islands where you can take a boat here. So you will be, rich with nature around this area.
Along with creating this stunning village, Alex is quite handy in the kitchen. And he's going to show me how to make a traditional Malaysian dessert. I've cooked a lot of savoury dishes here in Malaysia, but I haven't cooked many sweeties.
Yeah.
Alex, you're going to show me how to make these delicious, almost like little sweet dumplings.
That's right. We call it Onde.
Onde,
It's
right.
very popular Malaysian dessert.
Fantastic. So what inside is a little surprise?
Yes.
I like the sound of that. Let's start making this.
This is the glutinous rice flour for inside.
Yes, please do.
I think we just, pour all this.
Okay.
properly. And then we mix a bit of rice with normal flour, the wheat flour.
So the glutinous rice flour is going to make it almost like a little bit sticky and squishy.
That's right.
Ooh, it's going to be good.
All this.
Yep.
Salt, not so much.
Okay.
We continue with pandan water.
Aha. I thought this was this
This is
green
the
juice.
pandan. Yeah, the green juice. Yeah.
So how did you make this?
You can blend some pandan and then you mix with water. Yeah, then you filter out, so you got all the very green color.
This is not food dye. This is
It's natural.
coming from the pandan leaf, which is used so much. What do they call it here? It's the vanilla of Malaysia.
That's right.
And there's a spoon for you.
Yeah. And then you just mix well.
Okay.
Yeah,
do you want to add more?
Yeah, you add more while we mixing.
Okay. And it's not only going to colour the dough, but also give it a really nice flavour. Yeah.
All right. So we have to keep mixing.
Okay.
You'll take some water. You'll mix some water later on.
Yes. Okay.
Till the end, you will be this dough. Yeah, it will take some times.
Okay. So you're going to really work it.
Yeah,
work the glutinous rice.
That's right. And then pick up some, roughly.
Ooh.
Yeah, probably about this size.
All right. I want to try.
Yeah.
So you're pretty much using the leaf to help roll out.
That's right.
Oh, I like this. I've never seen this
it's
before.
A bit, you can use 2 leaves. Yeah, you flatten first.
Oh, this is very good.
So the magic ingredient is coconut sugar.
Ah, coconut sugar.
Yeah, just place one.
So a little extra sweetie in the middle. I like that.
Yeah. Then you roll it. It's like a ball. Yeah.
So you could probably do it with your hands.
Yeah, you can do it with your hand too.
This is a very good way too. It actually helps so it doesn't stick because it is a sticky dough. But
that's right.
just by having this piece of leaf, you're really working it. I do really want to use my hands.
Yeah.
I'm going to try with my hands, Alex.
That's right. Yes. You can do
yes.
Too. Yeah.
Like that. Oh, that's quite easy to do.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wonderful. And we've already made a few here.
Yeah, that's right.
You've even made a little star.
Yeah, a special one.
Oh, that one's mine.
Yeah. Then, we just place, boil it.
Boil it?
Yeah.
Okay. And how long are these going to cook for?
It's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes. Then we will mix with coconuts, grated coconuts.
Ooh,
Yeah.
this is going to be very nice. So how do we know that these are ready, Alex?
Yeah, when it flow and the color get a bit lighter, so
okay.
it's there. I think we are ready now. So you can mix coconut, the grated coconut. Yeah, you just pour in the bowl. We have put some pinch of salt.
Pinch of salt.
So yeah, we mix it well.
Just with our hands.
Yes.
And this has been freshly grated.
Yeah.
Love that.
And then take this out.
Ooh, they look like little gnocchis.
Yes. And then we just throw. And
And we-
yeah, mix it.
And you just coat them. And because of that little bit of water, it sticks.
Yes.
Aha! Wow.
Then it's ready to serve. So
Hold that for
just
you.
place.
I think this would be a really lovely festive dessert to do when
Yeah,
friends
that's
come
right.
over.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, with a cup of tea.
Yeah.
Just one of these would be nice. And they're still warm.
Warm, easy to
Ooh.
prepare.
Yes.
And then you have coconut.
I think what would make these extra special is if you freshly grated the coconut. But if you can't, you could just use
Yeah,
the
just
coconut from the
really-
packet.
Yeah, from
Yeah.
the packet.
I'm trying to work out where the star is. The one
Here.
that you made.
This
Aha!
one.
That's the one I want to
Yeah.
try right there.
Okay.
These are so good.
Yeah, that's right.
And
And
look
then
at
it's
that.
melt. The coconut sugar is melt.
It's
Yep.
melted. I didn't think that it
Yep.
would melt like that.
Yep.
That is so good.
How many stars?
Alex, this is not 5 stars.
Not 5 stars.
This is 10 stars.
Wow.
They are really that good. I can't wait to take that recipe home and make it for my friends.
My
Thank you.
pleasure.